Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me present to you a storytelling project by seven of us. Danis as Charlie Bucket,
Malik as Augustus Gloop,
Tarea as Willy Wonka,
Alden as Mike TV,
Naila as Veruca Salt,
Naya as Violet Burger,
Ara as Grandpa Joe.
We
hope
hope
you
you
like
it.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a story by Roald Dahl. This is a story of an ordinary little boy named Charlie Bucket. He lives on the outskirts of town with his very poor family, his parents and all four grandparents. In fact, they barely have enough to eat. Each day on his way to school, Charlie passes the best and biggest chocolate factory in the world, run by the mysterious Willy Wonka.
Grandpa Joe knows the amazing success of Wonka's factory in the past.
I know Willy Wonka. I used to work in the factory. His business was a big success, but his competitors stole Wonka's candy making secrets, and Mr. Wonka shut down the factory.
Later, the factory continues production, but no one was ever seen entering or leaving. One day, Wonka gives a surprising announcement. Dear people of the world, I, Willy Wonka, have decided to invite 5 children to my factory this year. One of these children will receive a special prize better than anything you can imagine.
Wonka Mania races to find the tickets hidden in Wonka's chocolate bar, sour Skittles, chewy caramel, and Wonka's gum. One by one, 4 of the tickets are found. The first ticket was found by Augustus Gloop.
I was eating the Wonka bar and I tasted something which wasn't a chocolate or a peanut or a caramel or gum. It was the ticket, so I celebrate by eating more.
The second ticket was found by Miss Violet Beauregard.
I'm the world winner of gum chips, and I do cry, but I'm going to win the special prize because I'm a winner.
The third ticket was found by Veruca Salt.
Daddy, I want my golden ticket and I want it now!
Here it is, my girl.
And the fourth ticket was found by Mike TV.
It was very easy. All I had to do hack the factory system. And I get the dates and buy chocolate bar. I took the ticket, but I didn't eat the chocolate. I had chocolate. What about the last ticket? Charlie finds a coin on a pavement and buys himself 2 Wonka chocolate bars. The second R has the last golden ticket inside. When the tour day, 5 children are greeted outside the factory by Mr. Willy Wonka. The inside of the chocolate factory is magical.
As the tour progresses, 4 of the children shows their selfishness and greediness. In the chocolate room, the greedy Augustus Gloop falls into the river of chocolate and is sucked into a glass pipe carrying the liquid chocolate to be made into fudge. He is done. The gum-obsessed Violet Beauregard steals a piece of experimental chewing gum, which turns her into a blueberry. She is too out.
The extremely spoiled Veruca Salt tries to seize a trained squirrel to have for herself, but the squirrels see her as a bad nut and toss her down a garbage pipe. Mike TV inserts himself into an experiment on sending candy bars through television and is shrunk to pocket size.
Mr. Willy Wonka, Charlie is the only one left now.
Oh yes, congratulations! I give you my entire factory.
Wow, the entire factory?
Aha! Are you ready to move to your new home?
But I can't leave my family.
They can all live here with you.
Yippee!
Moral of the story: unlike the other children touring the factory, Charlie shows patience and takes time to marvel at and enjoy every invention and room in Wonka's chocolate factory. He does not just focus on his own wants. The expression, "good things come to those who wait," certainly applies.
The end.